Here we took apart an old radio. Once we removed the screws from the underside, it pretty much broke into two different halves, so we split up to divide and conquer. Tacken and Bree worked on the underside, which featured the batteries, and because of that, it had several large capacitors to control the flow of electricity. While they took apart the bottom, RJ and I took apart the top, which consisted of the main circuit board, the speakers, and buttons to control the radio. Additionally, the top featured an optical drive to read CDs, and overall the radio consisted of about 94 parts.